Make sure you have your 12 words ready. Open MetaMask and follow along until your existing wallet is fully imported and ready to use. If you get nervous with money moves, set a backup path first. Search the Telegram shown on the screen. You can ask people and get alerts.
Need to import H1 network under Ethereum, which is very simple, guys. Open the Ethereum or your trust wallet like this. Then here, click on it. Click on this button, Ethereum. Once you open Ethereum, then scroll down a bit. Here, if you see this import button, click on it. Then you have two options here, search and custom. Click on custom token. Provide the contract address here. You can see that this token has already been added. Here you click on next. Once you click on next, guys, it will be added to your token or to your wallet, and you can see, guys, the H1 token has been sent to my wallet. So
one last nag: verify network and address. If you cannot verify, ask in the Telegram on the screen or read alerts. See you next time.